Safety is very important. Work at height. You have to be very careful and use the proper PPE. As you can see here, we have the harness. That's how it is done. And you hook it when you're up there, just to make sure that you don't fall off. Hi, so today we are going to talk about the steps in a bridge construction. This is part 3, where we talk about the superstructure in a bridge. That is the fire caps, the abutment caps, that wall. We are concreting also the bearing plinths today. As you can see, our guys are up there with safety harnesses. This is the bearing plinth or pedestal where the bearing will sit to carry the precast beams. Let's proceed. I'll take you through the full steps. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and kindly subscribe. My name is Gertrude Ndeto. I talk about construction procedures in roads and bridges. Thanks for your time. Subscribe. Like the videos. I'm actually at the center of this bridge. Here you can see the pier cap formwork. It's the hammerhead side. Here it is. It's our technicians, carpenters working on it. From here you can now see very clearly the bearing plinth reinforcement. Okay, of course, first you have to cast your pier cap, but of course the bearing plinth reinforcement has to be already in the pier cap. So you'll cast your bearing plinth later, but the reinforcement will be in there already. The carpenters, we have to fabricate a lot of formwork and bend steels on site. That is why our guys are over there. That's what they are doing. You can see they already completed the fire cap. The pedestals are waiting formwork so that they can be cast later. Yeah. That's the hammerhead pier cap. The size of the pier cap and the abutment cap, it's in the design, but basically it is just the width of the road. And the reinforcement in the pier cap and the abutment cap will depend now on the loads that are coming from the beam. Actually, it is actually the border. This pier cap and abutment cap, it's the borderline between the substructure and the superstructure, and they transfer loads from the beams and deck to the stem, which is now the substructure, that now transmits the loads to the foundation. The pier cap formwork, you can see here the props, they are sitting on a platform. The platform is backfilled, so that now the props can sit on it. Here is the pedestal reinforcement, and after its casting of the pier cap. The pedestal reinforcement is embedded, as we had said, in the pier cap. Now the bearings will now sit on the bearing plinth, which is the pedestal. And it's bye now. Bye bye. See you in the next video.